Hi, neighbors. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jerry, and this is Cooking with Neighbors. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to stop by my little channel. Today is a quick and easy recipe. When I say quick and easy, it might be the easiest recipe to date that I put on the channel. I got it out of one of the cookbooks I purchased eons ago. Uh, and it shows up in a couple of community cookbooks as well. So I thought, you know what, I'll share it. Graham really wanted me to share it, so I'll share it. It's the reason why I didn't share it before, because it is so easy that I was like, oh my goodness, is this too easy to share? And my husband's like, no, somebody might like this. And I agree with him. Somebody may like this. And who does not like a quick and easy supper or dinner? Okay. I know I do. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'm up in my computer room, office, whatever you want to call this room, craft room, and I'm editing the video now. And yeah, so anyway, let's just get into the video. You know, neighbors, I forgot to tell you what I am making. It's a chicken Alfredo pie, I guess you can call it. So in a pan, I heated up my electric skillet. I added some cooking oil, and now you want to add in your pan, after drizzling it with some cooking oil, 2 to 4 chicken breasts, just depending on how much you want. I have 3 good-sized chicken breasts cubed up and that I cut up and threw in there. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. My husband comes in a second here and asked if I'm videoing it, because he wanted to make sure that I was sharing this recipe to you all.
Looking good, baby. You're not videoing it?
Yeah, I'm videoing it. I'm just going to do a voice. And to tell you a little bit more of this dish, it's going to be a casserole too. It's going to go into the oven. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to cook my chicken all the way through. I'm playing around with it, checking out the size of the pieces, because you want them to be bite-sized pieces. Okay. I looked at my pieces of chicken and decided to get my kitchen scissors out, my kitchen shears, and cut the bigger pieces into smaller ones, because you want this to be really enjoyable to eat, and the smaller bits of chicken, I find, it just makes the dish more enjoyable to eat. They're fully cooked pieces of chicken now, and I'm going to add 1 kilogram, like 2 pounds, of mixed vegetables to this, so I bought 2 bags. California mix is really nice in this, but you pick the mixed vegetables that you're going to enjoy. The bags that I have to equal the 1 kilogram are California mix vegetables. And it looks like a lot that I'm adding, but it really reduces down in size, so I find that it does take that much or vegetable in this dish of the frozen vegetables. And I'm just spreading it out. I want to thaw these completely in with my chicken, so I'm putting the cover on to help that process go a little quicker. The vegetables, if you want them like really soft, you can cook them longer than having it just thawed. They cook them longer. And now I'm adding a jar of Alfredo sauce. I'll look up the size of the jar. It's just whatever size jar the store has. That's what I use. But I'll look up how many milliliters or whatever it is. And add yourself a quarter a cup of water. Give it a shake. Pour it in. I think I added a little bit more than that this time. And some sauces are thicker, some are thinner. So up to you how thick you want this. Maybe you don't want to add the water to it. Now I'm putting this lid back on because I want to warm up my sauce. I have a casserole dish. It's a 9 by 13 casserole dish. that I'm going to be putting this into, but over where the rolling pin is at, right beside me, is a sheet of puff pastry. I'm just drizzling the pan with oil. I don't even know if you need to do that, but I always do for this dish. Or you can put some butter. So, oh, that'd be nice too. Put some butter in there. You can add other spices to this. If your sauce, if you want more garlic in it, go for it. You want to put some paprika in there, whatever you feel like. This is just a quick, easy, simple way that I'm sharing. And I thawed and rolled out a sheet of puff pastry so it will fit my pan. Easy dish to do half as well if you want to just do like an 8x8 or a 9x9 casserole dish. And you can use 2 sheets if you want a thicker crust. Like, don't roll it out so long, and just put like half of this pan a sheet and the other half of the pan a sheet if you want to do it that way, if you like a thicker crust. So just tucking my crust in and around all the goodness there, and then I'm going to pop this into my preheated oven. Now, I have, like I said, my oven was preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 190 degrees Celsius. And I had you bake this casserole for like 30 minutes, give or take, depending on your oven. If you want your crust to be a bit more brown, at the around 30-minute mark, you can turn your oven broiler on to brown it up a bit more if you like. Neighbors, I had such a problem with my stove after I put this in that through the magic of editing, I left out the frustration part of my oven stopping to work and having to reset it. Anyway, long story. So I'll get into that complaint on another day. Let's just have some delicious supper right now. So I picked up my hubbies, and now I'm just adding a bit. I added a bit more. It's just the 2 of us. We'll be eating this casserole for the next couple of days. But I'm going to give you a better shot of this so that you can have a look. I put a little bit more water in my jar than the 1/4 cup, so my sauce is a little bit runnier. And anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's still delicious. Now I want to give you a nice close-up shot so that you can really get a good idea of this. Let me know in the comments section under the video if you would like to have more of these really simple recipes. I am going to be doing over the next couple of months a lot of baking, bread baking, using the bread machine. I'm going to do a bit of the work for me, and sometimes not the bread machine. I'm going to be doing squares and cakes. I'm going to be making some dips and probably a few appetizers over the next few months. I'm planning on pumping out a lot of videos. Right now, I'm just getting back into the swing of things, but I picture a lot of recipes heading your way. So again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. Have yourselves a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Take care, everyone. Bye.